So, hi guys. Another reels again. I just wanna share to you, to all of you that I want to introduce JJ's Gamit. So, si JJ kasi mahilig siya sa white. So, mamaya gagamitin ko yung razor niya na white. So, ito. From, paano ba to i-flip? Walang flip. So, ito yung kanyang, hindi ko alam tawag dito, baka PC, color white. Then, table niya white. Then, Jisoo Life niya white. Then, kanyang mouse ay white. Yan. Pulsar. Tapos, yung kanyang keyboard na white. Then, may touch na brown. Actually, it's not white. It's silver na may touch na white. Tapos, yung razor niya, ito ay white.